Good evening, teacher. My name is Sovathsak. Today I make a video record that sharing about the way or some point that make our life to be full of happiness. The first of us want to sharing is smiling. Yes, smiling it is very special for our people. It is our natural. One more thing, smiling is not necessary to the people you know, like your friend, your best friend, like people you know, or someone that you respect for. It's just smiling to each other people, and then you can other smiling from us. From each other too. And then it is the way that can make you to be communication or connection each other. The second is positive thinking. Yes, positive thinking is the way that make you really happy in the life. Why I say that? Because positive thinking can make you find a lot of solution to solve your problem when you have the problem, or you made something that wrong for you. For example, you have a problem with your neighbor. Yes, so you might be saying that, oh, our neighbor is bad, our neighbor are not good. And then the solution of you is positive thinking that, oh, maybe learn this from this, and then you can go to talk with him or with them that, oh, yes, it find a solution or find the way that you can be repairing or compare that good is not what is good, what is bad, and explain each other to be good. And the last of sharing is truly accepting. I mean that you will accept the real thing that happened to you when you can accepting, or you can get the real problem, the real thing that happened for you, although it's good or bad in your life. It will make you improve your emotional, improving your feeling, improving your idea and your opinion. In addition, accepting the real problem or accepting the real thing that happened to us, it is the way that make ourselves to be full of happiness in your life. Because although it is good, it is bad for you, it will across from 1 to 1, and then it is will you be your experience. So for accepting may be hard to get, but one by one trying to accept all them that although it's good or not bad for us, we just get it one by one, step by step. We will be okay and perfecting to accept from the problem that happened to us. Finally, there are 3 way or 3 points that sharing about the full life, or the thing that make you full happiness in your life. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.